Now you can scan your documents in a simpler way. In addition to that, they will be saved and organized by types of documents, and all from your mobile phone, without the need for a printer. Stack is a Google app, useful for scanning and organizing documents based on your information. Its operation is simple, since each user downloads the application and takes a photo of a document, be it an invoice, receipt, photo, or whatever you want to digitize. Remember that before performing this action, it is important to clean the camera and photograph in good light. After that, the app will convert these documents to PDF and store them in the storage server, such as a cloud drive, according to their correct category. Users can add multiple pages when scanning a document, as well as highlight their most important scans for faster access. In addition to that, if you want to protect your documents, you can do it through biometric systems such as fingerprint, facial scanner, or PIN. Stack brings novelties such as the ability to identify key information within the documents, such as the due date on the invoice or the total amount owed or the account number. This app is available for mobile devices running Android version 7.0 and is completely free with no ads or in-app purchases. Although this app is available for free on the Play Store, the company stated that it will be extended to other platforms such as iOS. Don't forget that Stack is a Google extension and its mission is to help its users organize documents by categories and folders so that everything is organized, everything in a fast and a simple way.